In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily zoom in on your document using simple keyboard shortcuts, whether you're using a Windows or a Mac computer. This is a really handy trick to make your text or images appear larger on your screen without needing to dig through menus or settings. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to identify which operating system you're working with. On a Windows computer, it's quite straightforward. You'll want to locate the Control key, often abbreviated as Ctrl, on your keyboard. You'll find it towards the bottom left of the keyboard, usually flanking the space bar. If you're on a Mac, look for the Command key, which might have a cloverleaf symbol, and it's often found just to the right and left of the space bar. Now that we've got the right key for your system identified, let's perform the first step, which is pressing Ctrl and the plus sign, plus, simultaneously if you're using Windows, or Command and the plus sign plus together if you're on a Mac. You may need to hold down the Shift key along with them, depending on your keyboard configuration, as the plus sign often shares a key with the equal sign on many keyboards. As you perform this combination, you'll notice that your document on screen begins to zoom in. The text or images expand to fill more of your viewing area, making them easier to read or examine closely. This is particularly beneficial if you're working with small text or intricate details in any document or presentation that you need to focus on more closely. A simple yet powerful feature of this shortcut is that each time you press this combination, the document zooms in a bit more. You can continue pressing Ctrl or Command with the plus sign multiple times until you reach your desired zoom level. This allows for precise control over how much you enlarge your document, offering a tailored viewing experience to suit your needs. If you ever find you've zoomed in too much, don't worry, there's an easy fix. You can reverse the process by pressing Ctrl and the minus sign key on Windows or Command, and the minus sign on a Mac to zoom out. This will bring your document back to the previous size step by step, giving you the freedom to adjust your view both ways with ease. Using these straightforward keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're frequently adjusting document views during your work. No longer will you need to disrupt your workflow by reaching for the mouse or navigating toolbars to change your zoom settings. Just a couple of taps on your keyboard, and you're ready to go, making this an essential trick to have in your digital skills toolkit. There you have it, an incredibly simple yet effective way to take control of your document's view and ensure maximum clarity and readability on your screen. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tip helps streamline your workflow.